Hi all, Becky Edge here. Hope everyone is healthy and safe. Miss all of your faces. Wanted to share something that I've learned. If you've been trying to utilize your iPad or iPhone onto your desktop during video recording, not necessarily video conferencing through Zoom, but through Screencastify, then I can show you what I figured out that is working for me. If not, please just disregard. Okay, so what you need to do is first and foremost, just open a web browser and type in easycast screen mirroring. And it's going to bring you to this website here where it says get easycast. And you're literally going to click get. And it will install into your computer. And then you'll also need to get the easycast app, which you will find in the App Store. It also looks the same. Once you have that installed on your computer and on your iPad, what I did for my computer here is I pinned it to my taskbar. So you can pin it to your taskbar so that it's easy. So to use it, I'm going to click on it. It's going to open to this page. And I'm going to try to shrink this just a little bit so that it's not taking up my whole page. Then I'm going to open the iPad up. And when you open either your iPad or your iPhone up on the easycast app, it'll bring you to either broadcast screen or receive broadcast. We want to broadcast our screen, so we're going to click on broadcast screen, and then it's going to give you a choice to choose the device below. The device that I want to choose is my computer, so I'm going to click on it where it says my computer's name, which is that device number, and then all I do is hit start broadcast. And it's going to give me a countdown, 3, 2, 1, in about 30 seconds. Here you go. Now you're seeing my iPad. So now I am going to go into my apps and I'm going to open an app that I might want to use. For example, I might want to use a timer during my session. I might want to use my Working For app, which is, so if you're utilizing token reinforcement with a student and you want to be able to give the feedback, you can do that on your own. Obviously, you'll need parent support to provide the actual reinforcement, but it's a nice way to model for parents. Obviously, I can use any of my other apps. I can use it for reinforcement, such as a Tokaboka app. Now, keep in mind, they won't necessarily be able to utilize the app. You'll have to navigate it for them, but it gives you an opportunity to provide that reinforcement. Or for the language piece, they can tell you what to do. They can direct. They can narrate. So as you can see my screen. I'm just going to click those two arrows that were pointing to each other. And now I have my iPad app open, so I can utilize it as well as my web browsers. I had my items already open just to make it easier and faster. So I'm going to assume I'm going into a student's slide deck and I want to model some lessons with that child. I might click on it, it's going to open it to their page, and I'm going to have all of my tools that I might want to work with them on there. So I might be able to open and explain to a parent what these things are. For some of these others, it might be a lesson that I've already created that I can either broadcast during my video, or I can, just explain to parents how to walk through the step of it. And that's essentially it. So really all you need to do is just get this easycast. It was really, I tried multiple other apps and software, and I was locked out from the network because of the network. But easycast was one that I was able to install, and it has been working for me. So hope it helps you, and I hope to see you all soon. Stay healthy. Bye.